Today, we're going to take a look at some extra stuff you can do with ChatGPT to help you in your business and in your getting good stuff. Just all help you everywhere. So the first thing I want to show you is something. This is with the paid version, so it's $20 a month. Usually is the paid version. This is called Tutor Me. So what this is, this is the link you go to, and it's part of ChatGPT. This one doesn't cost anything. You can do this for free. I'll show you one before that comes with the paid version. This is part of the free version. As you said, it's a personal tutor by Khan Academy, and it says it doesn't do the work for you, but it will help you with your math, science, and humanities questions. So for an example, I asked it right here in this question that I'm a real estate agent. I need to get a rough idea of what the monthly price would be to own a home. And they said, what do you need from me to do this correctly? And it went through and told me exactly what they would need. So then I pretty much said, great, that looks good. I went in here, I gave it the information, and then it automatically went through, did the product, did all the information for me, down payment, loan amounts, PTI, interest rate, all that. Showed me the calculations. We don't need to know that, but that's what this does. It shows you how they got it. And then it did the property taxes, rounded it all up, and at the end it showed me all this equals 2,705.74 cents. So I can do a really quick kind of calculator. And then of course you like turn this into an Excel sheet. So you don't want to just try to have to write all those in every time. So then I'm just going to throw this here and show the Excel sheet. So then I threw it into an Excel sheet, like you can just drop the numbers, it turns it in here. So now as we change, say the home was 250,000, this gives us a really quick idea. So a quick sheet. So when I'm talking to clients and I'm like, hey, I would love to buy a home. I want to be at such and such, whatever down payment. Say it's 0. It can change interest rate, whatever you want to change it. It's going to change. You see all the numbers change. And now if I do down payment and it's 5%, that changes as well. Now my loan amount, oh, of course that didn't work because the thing got messed up. So they want an actual number. So I'd have 5. So if I do give my little other, so 250 times 0.05, I'll have to fix that formula. 12,500. There you go. And then it shows the loan amount, shows you all that. And you can literally go through. Again, you can see I just threw this together and I didn't check all the formulas. Like I'm a normal person, I make a mistake. So I got to go through and click one of that little formula so I can go from percent and not so much from the number. But I'll get that fixed. So then this is something for an example that you can do. So that's just kind of fun. Right here again, tutor me. You can ask it any math, like it says here. You can ask it any math, science, or humanities question. Like, okay, how many known galaxies are there? And then you can go through anything that you have an interest about. You can go through, and then you can. It's kind of pretty interesting right there. It'll just answer quick questions. So that's Tutor Me. So again, I used it for real estate, and I asked it my little calculator thing. And then I could also go through here and just answer these questions every time for it and say, do this again, and just plug in these questions. And if I did that, it would automatically give me a new number every time. Very simple, very easy formula to do. Simple. That's just one of the things ChatGPT now has, this little tutor. So again, math, science, humanities, it'll help you get the answers, but it won't do the work. Like won't make an Excel sheet. I had to take that into ChatGPT, the formula, and the regular ChatGPT to do that. But it's very interesting. Something else you can do here for this Tutor Me. And again, it comes with the free. It's fun. Now, the other thing ChatGPT has, this is more of the paid version, is called Sora. So what Sora does, it lets you create, once you click it, you have to sign in, make a username, all that. It lets you create your own videos. And you have so many credits per month. You have about 1,000 credits per month. What that means is you can make somewhere around about 20 to 40 videos per month, depending how long they are. If they're short videos, like 5 seconds, it takes about 5 to 20 credits for that. So it's not that hard. So I'm going to do something for real estate. I haven't done this yet, so hopefully it comes out good. I'm going to say, show a young family with 2 kids and a dog entering a brand new home in San Antonio, Texas, or printing near home in Texas. Something simple like that. And if I wanted military, I could put show a young military family. So I'll even put that in here if I wanted to do like military family. I can put that in there as well. And then of course I'll fix my spelling errors and then we'll see how good it does. And there it goes. And then it's going to go through and hopefully that will give me some right here. See at the top, it's showing activity. They're trying to build that right now. So I'm just kind of waiting right now. And you can see right now 23, 24, etc. So what it does, it builds you usually 3 videos or so. And then you get to check the difference between the 3 videos. And then once you do that and you have those videos done, you can pick the one you like the best. All right, so it's showing me 2 videos. So if I click on those, here are my 2 videos. So that's not bad. I get to have the dog. They didn't have any kids in these, but that's all right. And then I could pick either one, whichever one I like the best. So this one's pretty nice. And you can see it's like a generic, not too good military uniform. You don't want people to be able to copy it, but it's close enough. People know what it is. And it's just a generic video. If I like that one's okay. I can also pause it. I can move. You can see I can go back and forth, different parts. I can snip it. I can cut it out. I can edit my prompt and try it again. I can put the videos together. You see down here at the bottom right, I can also, jump over here and go to the next one. If I like this one better, I can click it and I can use that one instead. And there it is. And then once I have this video, I can use this in some of my Facebook posts. So if I like it, I'm like, this is the one I like. I'm going to use it. If I go here and hit download, I can go, copy that link. And then all I have to do is go to my social media. Again, I'm working this the first time with you, so hopefully it works for us. And then once it loads, give me a second, I'm going to drop the link in there. I hope it's going to give me, and there it is. It gives me a preview. And then what am I going to do? I'm going to say, are you looking for a new home in the San Antonio, Texas area, military PCSing here? We have a beautiful homes. And then when someone looks, it's going to automatically play this when they come through these new homes. Just as a great way so you can use it. So I could say like right here, are you, without cap locks, are you PCSing, which is permanent change of station. I'm having a hard time spelling today. To San Antonio. If I would spell better, to San Antonio, Texas. We have a free list of the most popular homes on the market. And then I would say something like, comment homes for the free list. Something simple like that. And that's it. Now I post it, drop it in there, boom, looks good, it's cute. There's my little video. When someone clicks it, it opens up. And of course I'm logged in there, so it's going to show this right here. And then they can look at my little cute video. Very simple. Again, this is called the Sora. You click right here in ChatGPT, it'll jump through it, knock it out. And you can look at all the different ones out there. So it's a lot of fun. Now, if you click here, explore the GPTs, I'll just show you some other things right here. Here are some other AI, like here's by ChatGPT. You can do a web browser, DALL-E, ChatGPT uses for work. You can use this to brainstorm. This is the classic. ChatGPT can help you be a professional writer, help you analyze data. And then, of course, DALL-E is another image creator, things like that. Do logos. ChatGPT has really upgraded themselves a lot. So whatever you want to write something in Python, do some coding, education, a writing tool right there, help you write stuff. Tutor Me. I just showed you Tutor Me. It's right there on the Explore ChatGPT button. That's all you have to go. And then that's easy. And you can learn about lifestyle. As you can see, it has tons of things in here. If you want to go somewhere, you can put in the city. I want to go on vacation at this city. It'll go through, help you find where to go. It does a lot now. So of course it's showing these are those here are trending. You can write engaging content, which is great for me. You open it up and then you can start that chat with that. And again, great writing tool. It can write 100, like right here. Write me a blog, blah, blah, blah. It can go all that for you. It'll start the chat, get you set up. You can create Legos. You can do an image creator pro if you want to do this way. I just showed you Sora. That's another one they have. These are the top ones right now. Humanizer, okay, get human-like content in world, and this makes your AI content looks like a human. There's a lot you can do in ChatGPT. I'm trying to show you some extra stuff that it comes that you can use. If you're not taking advantage of all the different things out there, you will be left behind. And again, right here, writing research analysis, it'll just jump you to that spot. And then you can see all the different types for research and analysis that it has. Even accounting, your accounting expert, accounting GPT. So you can use that for you if you're a realtor looking at taxes. There's a lot you can do. I wanted to just show you some of the basics. So again, once you're in your chat GPT on the left, click explore GPT, and you have all these different options in here. Very easy to find. And then as you start using them, you see they pop up here at the top, and then you can jump. And then here's my traditional chat GPT. Hope that helps you get some ideas of what you can do, some of the free, simple things out there to help you include your business and get things going on. Have a great day.